Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix message notification not working on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on this first option, app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search message app from here. Click on messages app and click on force stop. After click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so check sleep mode. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on display and brightness. After click on display and brightness, click on eye comfort and sleep. So you will see bedtime mode is here. So you will check. So after check bedtime, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's still not solved, so reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone password and click on reset. So it's just reset all settings, it's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix message notification not working on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.